welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we're going to be doing a little off-ice stretching routine that you can do before your skating session. Now, this is not going to be a complete stretch session. If you're wanting to focus on stretching, I have other videos for that. This is going to be a little warm-up stretch, so it's not going to hit every single muscle group, but it's going to get your body ready to get out on the ice and do some skating. So we're actually going to start at the top of our head and our top of our body and work our way down. This should take 10 minutes or less if you're doing full out. So we're going to just start by warming up our neck. All right, so I'm going to just do some neck rolls and be really gentle as you go to the back. So I'm going to roll back, side, front, side, back. Now when you go to the back, I don't want you to just drop in your head, all right? Because if your neck is not used to that, I don't want you injuring it. So I want you lifting through your chin as you go to the back, all right? So we're going side, stretching through one side of our neck, forward, stretching the back of our neck, side, stretching the other side, and lift up through the chin. And then we can rotate the other way as well. All right, getting that nice loose neck. And if you want to, you can just hit the side a little bit, and then the other side, all right? Get that nice range of motion. Okay, now we're gonna start with our shoulders, so I'm just gonna do some shoulder rotations. I'm rotating my shoulders forward, so it's a little cup, lifting them up, and then pushing them back and opening the shoulders. So it's cupping the shoulders, lifting, and pushing them back. All right, so you get that little circle, cup the shoulders, lift, push the shoulders back. Okay, and then we can do that again the other way. So back, forward, back, lift, forward. So getting that little shoulder rotation, okay? Then we're gonna do some lifts on each side. All right, just trying to open those shoulders up, get those muscles loose. Okay, so we kind of got some shoulders moving here. Now we're gonna move on to the arms. So I'm gonna start by bringing my right arm across my body and pressing it as flat as I can towards my chest. This is opening up my shoulder, the outside of my shoulder here. Okay. And then I'm gonna repeat that on the other side with the left arm, pressing that left arm towards my chest. Just gonna do this a couple of times. Again, this isn't a really, really thorough stretch session. This is just gonna help get your body limbered up before a skating session. All right, now I'm gonna take my right elbow, I'm gonna push it up behind my head. All right, so again, that left elbow. Now, whatever you're able to do, if your shoulders aren't that loose, you can grab your wrist and pull it towards your head or your forearm. I like to grab my elbow and push it up as close as I can to my head. So I can like scratch my head, scratch my back. And then we're gonna take the other side, right hand to left elbow, push it back. Again, just trying to get that elbow as close as you can towards your head. Good, okay, now I'm gonna take those arms all the way to the front. I'm gonna bring them to the back. Okay, so I'm reaching all the way to the front, and this is gonna kind of open up the back between my shoulder blades, and then I'm gonna reach all the way up over and bring them behind me. All right, so just a couple big shoulder rotations here. Reach the front, reach up and over to the back. Now let's take gonna have a wide stance with my legs. I'm gonna take my right arm and reach all the way over as far as I can to the left. Okay, so this is opening up that whole side, that right side. And then I'm gonna rotate. So now I'm to the side and I'm rotating so my chest is facing the ice or the ground. And I'm gonna reach those hands out. Now when you do this, you're changing from you're stretching the side, and now you're stretching your hamstrings. All right, so it's a little change. You're going side, hamstrings. I'm gonna come up, I'm gonna do that on the other side. So I'm reaching way across. This is stretching my left side. And now I'm gonna rotate my body facing the ground and stretch out with my hands, and I'm giving a little hamstring stretch here. Okay, reaching way over and stretching those hamstrings. All right, now we're gonna be working down to our hips and legs. So while we're in this nice wide stance, I'm gonna turn my toes out, put my hands on my knees in a deep plie, and I'm gonna take my right hand, push back into my right knee, and twist. Okay, so this is starting to open up the inside of our leg and also giving us a rotation. So you can see I'm turned open, hands on the knees, and twist. And I'm pushing back into my right knee. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side. So bend down, hands on the knees, twist and push back into that left knee. All right, that's opening those hips up, getting our glutes activated and stretching our torso. So it's a really great kind of multifunctional stretch. From here, we're gonna get into some lunges. Now, if you need something to hold on to, that's fine. Find like a wall or counter or something you can hold on to. We're gonna start with some forward lunges. So I'm gonna go down into my left knee. Now there's two different kind of ways you do lunges. There's like a gym workout lunge, and then there's a figure skating lunge, and we're gonna try both of them. So let me show you that from the side. So the gym lunge is keeping your knees, everything parallel looking at the ground. So you can see I've got a stretch through the back of my ankle here. Okay, so my knees are both pointing forward or down to the ground. Okay, so we can do a couple that way, and that's really activating those quads, stretching through the back of the leg. All right, drive your heel down into the ground, stretch through the back. Okay, then we're going to do some figure skating lunges. So for this one, you're going to turn your foot out to the side the way we do on the ice. And this one, you're going to get a really good stretch through those hip flexors. All right, so we're going to go down, and I'm going to turn my foot side, and I am going to get that really good stretch through the front of my hip flexor area. Okay, a couple little bounces is good. And I'm going to do the other leg. All the way down, turning that foot out, pushing those hips forward, shoulders up nice and strong, getting that stretch through the front of the hip area. Okay, all right. And now we're going to do some side lunges, and we're just about done here. And then I'm going to put my skates on, and I'm going to finish my stretching out on the ice. Okay, so I've got a really wide stance. I'm going to push all my weight over to my left side, heel to the ground, toe to the sky. This is stretching out the back of my leg really well. Okay, and while I'm nice and low, I'm going to crawl over and stretch on the other side. Again, toe to the sky. This is getting me that good stretch through the inside, the hamstring, the back of the knee, all of that. All right, so you can do that a couple of times, and then you can put your skates on, and we're ready to go out on the ice. Now, this is just a version of a warm-up stretch. Depending on what you're doing that day, you can add all different kinds of things in. You can do off-ice jump exercises, you can do the splits. There's a lot of different things you can incorporate into it. This is just a quick warm-up stretch. If you need a little warm-up routine, you can do this, and then throw in whatever you personally want to do to help enhance your skating session that day. All right, I'm going to throw my skates on. I'll see you out on the ice. Now here out on the ice, I like to finish my warm-up. We're going to start with some spiral stretches. So I'm going to put my foot up on the wall. This wall is a great height for me. It might be a little tall for you or a little low, but this works out really well for me. If you need to have a higher stretch, maybe there's something you can do at home to do this same thing. So I have my foot turned open. As you can see, it's turned open rather than turned in. That's not getting you any stretch there. So turn it open, it'll give you a better stretch the inside of your leg. So the first thing I do is reach over. All right, I'm gonna reach towards my foot. And then I like to slide my foot out, slide it so that I'm getting kind of into a splits position there on the wall. So I don't really do the splits off the ice that much. In my quick warm-up, I'll do that when I'm doing a long stretch. I'll get into the splits, but I like to get this split stretch done here on the wall. I like that pressure of the wall. It really helps me get into that split. Okay, now I'm going to repeat this on the other side. So I'm going to put my foot up. I'm going to reach over the top. I'm going to turn and face my leg. And then I'm going to slide out into that split. Now, I might repeat these a few times if I'm really going to be working a lot on spirals that day, but at least it gets the back of my leg flimbered up. Now, there's one more stretch I like to do, and this is going to help with laybacks, Ina Bowers, anything where you need that back extension. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my fingers on the back of the wall here. I'm gonna open up my chest, reach all the way forwards. Then I'm gonna tip my toe picks into the ice so I'm a little ball. Push my hips forward, and I'm gonna stretch my head back towards the wall. Reach all the way forwards. Toe picks into the ice. Push those hip bones forward. And stretch back. All right, that is my favorite stretch for laybacks, those beautiful Ina Bowers, anything where you need some back mobility. That's a nice quick routine that you can do a couple of times on the wall and give you that good stretch. All right, that is my quick pre-skating session stretch. Again, if you want a full stretch, you can spend some time doing that separately from your skating session, and I have a few videos that cover that. But for a quick pre-skating session, this is a great full body little stretch. All right, if you enjoyed this, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.